Do you often feel tired and sluggish, even after a good night's sleep? Are you looking for ways to increase your energy levels throughout the day? If so, you're not alone. Many people struggle with fatigue, and it can be difficult to find the right solution. However, what you eat can have a significant impact on your energy levels. In this video, we'll explore the foods that give you the most energy and help you overcome feelings of tiredness and sluggishness. With this information, you can take control of your energy levels and feel your best every day. So, if you're ready to learn more, let's dive in. Understanding the importance of energy-boosting foods. In today's fast-paced world, having a steady source of energy is crucial. The need to keep up with work, family, and other responsibilities can leave you feeling fatigued, stressed, and burned out. But did you know that the foods you consume can play a significant role in providing you with the energy you need to get through the day? Yes, that's right. The foods you eat can either give you a quick burst of energy or leave you feeling sluggish and tired. In this section, we'll explore why it's important to choose the right foods to keep you energized and focused throughout the day. First, it's important to understand the science behind food and energy. The food we eat is broken down into glucose, which is the primary source of energy for our bodies. When we consume foods that are high in sugar and refined carbohydrates, we experience a quick spike in glucose levels, followed by a sharp drop. This roller coaster of energy can leave us feeling fatigued and drained, especially after a few hours. On the other hand, foods that are rich in complex carbohydrates, fiber, and protein take longer to digest and provide a steady release of glucose, keeping your energy levels sustained for a longer period. These foods also help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy, sugary treats. In conclusion, choosing the right foods can make a huge impact on your energy levels and overall well-being. So, if you want to avoid the mid-afternoon slump and feel your best all day long, keep reading to find out which foods will give you the most energy. Top energy-boosting foods. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are a great source of energy due to their high content of vitamins and minerals. Some of the best options include bananas, apples, berries, leafy greens, and sweet potatoes. These foods are also low in calories, making them ideal for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Whole grains. Whole grains are a great source of carbohydrates, which are the body's main source of energy. Foods such as whole grain bread, oatmeal, brown rice, and quinoa are great options. They are also high in fiber, which helps to regulate the body's digestion and promote sustained energy levels. Lean proteins. Lean proteins, such as chicken, fish, turkey, and beans, are great sources of energy as they provide the building blocks for muscles and other tissues. These foods are also helpful in maintaining a stable blood sugar level, which can prevent the energy crashes that come with consuming high-carb or high-fat foods. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them a great source of sustained energy. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are great options to include in your grocery list. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can ensure that you have a constant supply of energy to help you power through your day. So, make sure to make a note of these top energy-boosting foods on your next grocery list. In conclusion, incorporating energy-boosting foods into your diet is a simple and effective way to boost your energy levels throughout the day. Whether it's a handful of almonds, a banana, or some yogurt, making small changes to your diet can make a big difference in your energy levels. Don't forget to also incorporate physical activity, hydration, and adequate sleep into your routine to maintain your energy levels and overall health. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and know what works best for you. Experiment with different foods and see how they affect your energy levels. By making small changes to your diet, you can ensure you have the energy to tackle even the busiest of days. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope it has been helpful in your quest for more energy. If you found this video useful, Please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more health and wellness content. We would love to see you become a part of our community.